Welcome back to Spore and Sprout. In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow mushrooms from a 5-gallon bucket. You will need some finely chopped straw, a drill with a 1/4-inch drill bit, 3 to 6 quart jars of spawn, and a 5-gallon bucket. The first thing you want to do is to pasteurize your straw. So we're going to fill up a 5-gallon bucket and pour boiling water over it and let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour. Because we are working with straw and not supplemented sawdust, there's no need to sterilize the substrate. After about an hour, the straw should be sufficiently pasteurized and ready to be drained. While you're letting that drain, you can start making holes in your 5-gallon bucket. These holes are what the mushrooms are going to grow out of. Now you can break up your grain spawn and get it ready for layering inside your 5-gallon bucket. After you're done layering the spawn and straw inside of the 5-gallon bucket, you can just leave the bucket at room temperature in your house or outside in a shaded area. Make sure to mist the holes every few days to keep the humidity up, and about a week later you'll start to see primordial growth. A few days later, the mushrooms will be fully grown and ready to be harvested. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one.